So I posted this video a while back that's gotten over 8 million views. In the video, I'm showing how I spray the soffit, fascia, and drip edge. I must have gotten hundreds of comments saying I was getting overspray all over the roof shingles. Some joked I was painting the clouds. One person even commented that I was a white person with black paint on me.
Huh?
Most of the comments was saying that if I didn't shield the roof, paint would get on the shingles. Today, I'm going to put that theory to the test. So I got my sprayer already set up, paint in it. The client wants to go with a traditional white for the soffit, fascia, and drip edge. I'll be using a 211 tip, which has about a 4 or 5 inch fan. I'll start off by spraying without shielding the roof, and then I'll spray this section shielding the roof, and we can compare which method better protects from overspray.
Now, as you can see, using the shield up against the roof, it's going to put a little bit of paint on it. You have to clean the shield every time, and still the shield is still going to have some kind of paint on it, and you'll see it. Now, this is the area on the other side of this blue tape. This is the area where I didn't use the shield. And as you can tell, when you look at the drip edge here, it has a lip. So being that I'm spraying at the angle that I'm spraying, the paint goes up and away. So let me, even here, I could just spray up and away, and you see the overspray actually goes up and it goes away.
I'm not saying either way is right or wrong. Every painter is different, but I prefer not putting a wet shield on my client's roof. As long as you're using the correct tip and you're spraying at an angle, the shingles and the clouds will be fine. Thanks for watching.